Hey guys, it's Tony. So the short squeeze on GameStop went fucking insane and we rallied from 43-ish to 73. Something that people aren't going to tell you guys is if GameStop actually trades in the higher $60 at close, the short squeeze on Monday is at what could possibly be even bigger than today. I'm letting you guys know right now, if GameStop closes or it's closing near the high 60 mark in the price range, I'm probably going to YOLO about $2,000-$3,000 into calls for next week, which is absolutely I think it's crazy. The short float is going to be massive, and all these hedge funds and everybody shorting fucking GameStop is going to try to figure out what's going on. But that's only if GameStop is nears closing at over like around $66, a little bit higher than that possibly. If GameStop is gonna close today around the $66 mark, around that price range today, 100% I'm probably gonna throw 2, 3, 4, maybe $5 grand at calls expiring next week. Just letting you guys know what I'm going to do.